As you can see from this website, Google Arts and Culture allows students to take virtual field trips. If you scroll down, you will see a guide that shows you how to take a virtual field trip. I am now looking at the guide. You will also see that there are various recommendations and just a lot of links that you can click through to learn more. If you scroll down even more, it becomes apparent that you can learn about topics like science, geography, and natural history. You can also take trips to different sites around the world, like to Barcelona, for example. This would be particularly useful for a Spanish class. You can see now that I have dropped into Barcelona. Scrolling through, you can see all of the things that you can explore. If you click on the Explore button, you will see there are several different categories. I'm going to click on the Museo Nacional de Arte de Mexico, as that would be useful for a Spanish class. It seems to have disappeared, so let's go to View All. And let's look at a Museo Dolores Olmedo instead, which again, that would be very useful for a Spanish class. Clicking on the left side of the screen shows you a tab. Because I've explored the site previously, I've unlocked a few achievements like Adventurer and Museum Explorer. You will see that there are many more achievements. I did use this tool in my class once to have my students explore Day of the Dead, and they seemed to really enjoy it. I would definitely recommend prepping a worksheet or questions ahead of time just to make the most out of the activity. Also, pay attention to the recommendations that Google makes.